little learners. Welcome to FunQuest Learning. Have you ever wondered how butterflies get their beautiful colors? Some are bright blue like the sky, while others are a sunny yellow or a happy red. Well, today we'll explore the secret science behind their wings and follow their amazing life cycle from tiny egg to full-grown adult. Hold on to your wings and get ready for an adventure. Now let's fly over to this sunny meadow filled with colorful flowers. Can you see the tiny butterfly eggs hidden among the leaves? They glisten in the morning dew, sparkling like precious gems. One lucky egg hatches and out pops a cute little caterpillar. It slowly munches on a juicy leaf, growing bigger and bigger every day. Caterpillars spend their time doing three very important things: eating, sleeping, and growing. The more they eat, the faster they grow. Look at this chubby caterpillar. It's almost too round to crawl. But wait, what's happening now? The caterpillar has reached its final size. It's time for the next stage of its incredible journey. The caterpillar finds a twig and starts to spin a silky thread. It wraps itself up in a tight little package and forms a shiny, hard shell called a chrysalis. Inside this cozy home, a magical transformation begins. Don't worry, though. This isn't the end of the story. The chrysalis starts to open and out emerges a beautiful butterfly. It stretches its wings, ready to start its new life. Let's take a closer look at these amazing wings. They are covered in thousands of tiny scales that shimmer and shine. These scales are like tiny little tiles that overlap each other, creating a smooth, shiny surface. But what makes these wings so colorful? Well, that's due to two amazing things: pigments and structural color. Pigments are like natural dyes that give the butterfly wings their base colors. For example, some butterflies have orange, black, or brown wings because of pigments. These colors are created by tiny cells inside the butterfly's wings. They contain special molecules that absorb certain colors of light. For example, a butterfly's black wings absorb all colors of light instead of reflecting them, which means they appear black to us. On the other hand, the butterfly's white wings reflect all colors of light and appear white. Other pigments create colors like yellow and red. These colors are created by special molecules that reflect only certain colors of light. So a pigment-based yellow or red butterfly wing appears yellow or red to us. But there's another secret ingredient to their wings: structural color. It's not just the pigments that make butterflies so colorful. The microscopic scales on their wings also play a big role. You see, these scales are so small that they act like tiny mirrors, bending and reflecting the light in amazing ways. When light hits the scales, it bounces off in different directions. Depending on the angle, this creates an optical illusion that tricks our eyes into seeing different colors. By changing the shape and structure of the scales, butterflies can create bright blues, greens, and purples that we see today. Scientists call this structural color, since it comes from the physical structure of the scales rather than from pigments. Structural color can change depending on the angle of the light. As the butterfly moves around, its wings seem to shimmer and glow with different colors. Isn't that magical? It's not just about looking pretty, though. Their colors serve many purposes. They help butterflies hide from predators. Some butterflies are so well camouflaged that they blend in perfectly with the flowers they visit. Other butterflies use their colors to attract mates. Bright colors and patterns on their wings are like a sign saying, "Hey, look at me, I'm here." Male butterflies often have brighter colors than females. This is because they need to attract the female's attention so they can pass on their genes. Some butterflies even use their colors to warn predators that they are poisonous. If a predator eats one butterfly and doesn't like the taste, it will remember that for the rest of its life. So if it sees another butterfly with the same colors, it will stay away. Hey, before we continue our butterfly adventure, let's take a moment to appreciate these amazing creatures with 10 fun facts. 1. There are over 17,000 species of butterflies worldwide. That's a lot of beautiful creatures. 2. Some butterflies migrate thousands of miles each year during their annual migrations. The monarch butterfly travels from Canada to Mexico, a journey of over 3,000 miles. 3. Butterfly wings are covered in thousands of tiny overlapping scales. These scales are so small that they create a smooth, shiny surface. 4. Blue in butterflies often comes from light reflection, not pigment. That's right, their wings don't contain blue pigment, but they still look blue because of the way they reflect light. 5. Some butterflies can see ultraviolet light. This helps them find nectar and pollen in flowers. 6. The life cycle of a butterfly has 4 stages: egg, caterpillar, chrysalis, butterfly. Each stage is more amazing than the last. 7. The largest butterfly is the Queen Alexandra's birdwing. It can have a wingspan of 12 inches, almost as big as a pizza. 8. Some butterflies taste with their feet. They have special taste receptors on their feet that help them find sweet plants to drink from. 9. Bright colors in butterflies can warn predators that they are poisonous. If a predator eats one butterfly and gets sick, it won't want to eat another butterfly with the same colors. 10. Butterflies are important pollinators. As they fly from flower to flower, they help pollinate plants, meaning they help make more plants and flowers. Now let's go back to our butterfly friends. The male butterflies usually have brighter colors and are smaller than the females. They spend their days flying around, looking for flowers to drink from and for female butterflies to mate with. Female butterflies often have more muted colors, but they are larger than the males. After mating, females lay their eggs on leaves or stems of plants. Do you know any butterfly facts that we missed? Share them in the comments below. Butterflies are amazing creatures that bring joy to people all over the world. They are not only beautiful to look at, but also play an important role in our ecosystem. Let's take a moment to appreciate these magical insects and the wonders they bring to our lives. Thank you for joining us on this FunQuest adventure. We hope you had as much fun learning about butterflies as we did. Remember to stay curious and keep exploring the world around you. Who knows what amazing discoveries you might make. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on any of our awesome videos. Until next time, happy fluttering!